This is my nutrition assignment 3 on the digestive system. The digestive system has many different parts that make up its structure. This link takes us to a separate website that allows us to look at all the different organs that make up the digestive system. Stomach. When the food reaches the stomach, it is broken down further as the stomach contains strong acid and protease and lipase, which are enzymes produced in the liver and pancreas. When the food is broken down enough, then it moves through the small intestine. Gallbladder. The gallbladder stores bile that is produced by the liver. Liver. One of the main functions of the liver is that it produces bile and the enzymes protease and lipase that assist in the breakdown of food. Rectum. The rectum is where the waste products and feces are stored before the body can allow itself to excrete them. It signals to the brain for when it is a good time to excrete the waste. Anus. This is where the waste is excreted and it is the end of the digestive system. The muscle sphincters around the anus are always contracted until the body wants to excrete the waste. Mouth. The food enters the mouth and it gets chewed up so that it is smaller and can easily fit down the esophagus. Amylase is produced in the saliva in the mouth, which also helps to break down the food. Small intestine. This is where most of the absorption of nutrients takes place, using the enzymes that are produced in the liver and pancreas. Food is broken down further and pushed through the small intestine by muscular contractions until it reaches the large intestines. Large intestine. The main role of the large intestines is to produce solid waste or feces, which is stored temporarily until it can be excreted out of the body. Duodenum. This is where the absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream occurs, and also the duodenum helps with the continuous digestion of food. Pancreas. Similarly to the liver, the pancreas produces bile and the enzymes which helps it in the digestion of food. Esophagus. This is the long tube that connects the mouth to the stomach, and it allows the chewed up food to break down further as it is squeezed through the esophagus through a series of muscular contractions to reach the stomach. There are 3 functions of the digestive system, which is digestion, absorption, and excretion. Digestion is the first function of the digestive system, and it is a multi-stage process that can occur after the ingestion of food. The organs involved in digestion includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, and small intestine. This process involves mechanical and chemical elements. During this process, the 3 enzymes start to break down the larger compounds. Amylase. This breaks down carbohydrates and it is found in the saliva, which is produced in the salivary glands in the mouth, which allow for the carbohydrates to start being broken down as soon as the food is ingested. Protease. This enzyme breaks down protein and it is produced in the liver and released into the stomach to aid the breakdown of proteins when the food reaches the stomach. Lipase. This breaks down fat and it is also produced in the liver and released into the stomach to aid the breakdown of fat when the food reaches the stomach. Absorption is the next function of the digestive system. This is the process of which nutrients are taken from the digested food and absorbed into the bloodstream, which allows them to be taken around the body to any areas where they are needed. For example, protein might be taken to the muscles to help them repair after a workout. Some of the organs involved in this process include the pancreas, the liver, and the gallbladder. Excretion is the last process of the digestive system. This is the process of the waste products being eliminated from the body. All of the products that are not needed in the body are stored in the rectum so that they can be excreted later on. The main organs involved are large intestine, the rectum, and the anus. That's the end of my nutrition assignment on the digestive system. Thank you.